Are you enjoying this?
I'm loving it.
Loving it.
Woo!
Are you having fun?
Yes.
What's this like? Are you enjoying this?
Uh-huh.
Okay. What are we doing?
Riding on 4-wheelers.
Where are we? You know?
No.
You don't. Albert, how are you enjoying this?
I'm really enjoying this.
You're really enjoying it.
It's good to get out, you know, see the country, see the wildlife around us. Really good.
That's cool.
Well, welcome to Motorcycle and Quad Adventures.
We run excursions into areas rarely seen by the public. As you can see in this Fynbos territory, which is pretty unique in the world, and we try and do what we like to call a hiking on wheels option for various people, including families and small corporate groups, where we can educate people about how phenomenal this growth habitat is. And it's usually very easy to ride these machines. They're very user-friendly, and as I say, it's a hiking on wheels option, which I think the majority of people can manage.